Good morning everybody. Welcome to Nilagiri Degree and PG College video classes. So last video, so Newton divided difference formula is then completed. So after that the Newton forward divided difference is there. So Newton's forward divided difference next. The Newton's forward divided difference formula, general formula is in. So Pn of x equals to f of x naught plus x minus x naught into, first of all we use in general formula of Newton divided difference. This is the Newton divided difference general formula. So in that general formula we considered as an x into s equals to r, x into n equals to x naught plus sh or x naught plus nh. In terms of s లో తీసుకుంటాం, in terms of n లో చూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం అండి. అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్, in terms of s లో చూజ్ చేసుకుంటే xs equals to x naught plus sh, x naught equals to xn equals to x naught plus nh. We using this forward difference we considered as a let, and now h equals to the difference between xi plus 1 minus xi, and these two అంటే we difference between x terms are there. Difference యొక్క x terms యొక్క difference నే we taken as an x. After that the formula of Newton forward difference is in Pn of x naught plus sh equals to f of x naught plus s into h. Observe, s into h, f x naught x1, s into h, f x naught x1, s into s minus 1 by 2 factorial into h square f x naught x1 x2 plus s into s minus 1 into s minus 2 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into h cube of x naught x1 x2 x2. So this is the first divided difference, this is the second divided difference, this is the third divided difference. Okay, here now we go for the formula of first forward difference, that is only divided difference. Here the Newton's forward difference is there, so that's why formula becomes the first forward difference is equals to f of x naught x1 equals to, the general formula is an f of x1 minus f of x naught by x minus x1 minus x naught is the formula for the divided difference. Here the forward difference is defined as an delta is an forward difference, so that's why f of x1 minus f of x naught raste, then we say that the delta f of x naught is known as a forward difference. Here x1 minus x naught is known as h. How to say that the h ante which h is nothing but the difference of an xi plus 1 minus xi terms, the difference of an xi plus 1 minus xi terms and I terms and 1 term. For example, I equals to 1 we have to take n, I equals to 0 we have to take n ante x1 minus x naught kada, I equals to 0 we have to take n, so that's why x1 minus x naught is taken as h. The formula of first forward difference is then del f of x naught by h. Observe, highest minus lowest we taken as an lowest. Delta forward difference, delta is an first forward difference, delta square is the second forward, delta cube is the third forward. And now second forward difference we find it, that is second divided difference we taken f of x1 x2 minus f of x naught x1 divided by x2 minus x naught. Here observe, x2 minus x naught is there, x1 minus x naught only single term, that's why we written as an h. x2 minus x naught and h is taken as only xi plus 1 minus xi only, x isn't taken as only I plus 1 minus I, but it has to give x2 minus x naught is there, so that's why we taken as an n equals to 2, that's why the x2 minus x naught is written as an 2h. Here f of x1 x2 del f of x1, f of x naught x1 del f of x naught. Observe how to say that the f of x1 x2 is an del f of x1. So exam x naught x1 the formula del f of x naught. Observe, f of x naught x1 we written as an del f of x naught, f of x1 x2 del f of x1, f of x naught x1 del f of x naught. Observe, that is the main thing here to check that forward backward differences. Forward difference here f of x naught x1 and which is the smallest term is in what we written smallest term, in that f of x1 x2 is the smallest term is in what x1 is the smallest term, here x naught is the smallest one. In both terms which is the smallest, del f of x naught f of x1 del f of x naught, the two terms only which is the small, f of x naught is the small, that's why we del square. And del, observe, f of x1 f of x naught and which becomes del which becomes del square becomes del cube becomes del power 4. That is the process. Here f of x naught, x1, x2, x3 here. Now we written as the formula x3 minus x naught. x2 minus x naught we taken as a 2h. x3 minus x naught is taken as a 3h. f of x1, x2, x3 which is the value del f of x1, smallest value. f of x naught, x1, x2 which is the small is then second కాబట్టి which becomes second forward difference del square we written as an del cube here. సో నాట్ స్క్వేర్, ఇక్కడ డెల్ క్యూబ్ రాసుకోండి, మిస్టేక్ రాశారు. డెల్ క్యూబ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ నాట్ బై 3h, డెల్ క్యూబ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ నాట్ బై 3h up to so on x and we write it as a del power k by or del power n by f, del power n f of x naught by nh we have to return. K కాకుండా del power n also we return. So this is the formula. Then in this formula we simplify the construct the table formation. Observe here the first forward difference, that is only divided difference. In the divided difference we changing how to change the process. In the forward difference del f of x naught formula is, observe, del f of x naught formula is, what is the formula of del f of x naught అని అడుగుతాడండి questions. f of x naught అంటే for example always we observe highest minus lowest divided by h. Del is an h, del square is an 2h, del cube is an 3h. So the total simplification it becomes only h, అంటే total simplify చేశాక it becomes also h. అంటే how to say that this is a 3h అంటే generally అక్కడ 3 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. దెన్ వి రిటర్న్ యాజ్ అన్ డెల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ నాట్ వి రిటర్న్ యాజ్ అన్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ వన్ మైనస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ నాట్ బై హెచ్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ డెల్ స్క్వేర్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ నాట్ ఎఫ్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ డెల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ నాట్ బై హెచ్. So now we go for the general forward difference formula. Here x0, x1, x2, x3, xn terms are there. f of x1, f of x2, f of x3 terms are there. Now we go for the first difference. f of x1 minus f of x0 by h. h is nothing but x1 minus x0. That is known as a del f of x0. f of x2 minus f of x1, these two terms difference divided by h, that is the f of x1 and highest term minus lowest term we written in the smallest term f of x2 minus f of x. After that these two terms relation and del f of x1 minus del f of x0 by h. Here we say that the small is the del square f of x0 value, and that these two terms difference del square f of x1 value and f of x2 minus del f of x2 minus del f of x1 del square the second divided by h. Del cube and these two differences del square f of x1 minus del square f of x0 by h. Generally we say that that is the formula we find in these terms. After that the forward difference formula is then Pn of x equals to f of x naught plus sh into del f of x naught s into s minus 2 factorial by h square into del square f of x naught s into s minus 1 s minus 2 3 factorial by h cube into del cube f of x naught up to so on. Here we have to find out which values. h is nothing but the difference of these terms and ఇచ్చిన x0, x1, x2, x3 values యొక్క difference h value. s is how to find out that h అంటే xn equals to x0 plus sh is there. So x0 is goes to this side, xn minus x0 by h equals to s అని సింప్లీ చేయొచ్చు. xn value last value minus x0 first value difference divided by h. h is the difference, that is the s. Del f of x and del f of x naught we how to find out and is using the formula for forward difference. So total value find out చేస్తే దీంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే that is the forward. ఎప్పుడైనా అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అంటే x నాట్ వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. అబ్జర్వ్ the different the given question is in forward x naught values are there. X naught values. Observe here del f of x naught, here del square f of x naught, here del cube f of x naught. And it becomes only forward. It becomes only x naught values are there. It becomes only x naught, that is the forward we identified. That is known as a del. This is the forward difference formula. And next we go for the backward difference formula is there. Difference are there here. X equals to x naught plus sh is there. Xn plus sh and okay. After the backward divided difference, observe that the forward difference f of x naught here. In that f of xn. Okay. F of xn plus sh into f of xn minus 1. In that x naught x1 అంటే ఫస్ట్ నుంచి వస్తుంది, బ్యాక్వర్డ్ అంటే లాస్ట్ నుంచి అండి. మీకు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు, ఫార్వర్డ్ అంటే ఫ్రంట్ నుంచి, బ్యాక్వర్డ్ అంటే బ్యాక్ నుంచి. దెన్ ఈజీలీ సే దట్. అండ్ ద ఫార్వర్డ్ కాబట్టి జీరో టు స్టార్టెడ్, బ్యాక్వర్డ్ కాబట్టి n టు స్టార్టెడ్. That is only check. Okay, and the forward difference is there, and then backward difference xn we started. So that's why f of xn plus sh into f of xn minus xn. Observe here in the forward difference the formula s into s minus 1 by 2 factorial. Here s into s plus 1 by 2 factorial into h square. Now the forward and the first backward difference formula. Observe del f of xn. On the first forward difference formula, del delta. This is the del. This is the delta. This is the del. Okay. This is the delta. Now this is the del. So delta is in forward, del is in backward. So we say that the del f of xn, del f of xn by h, and the delta f of x naught by h. Observe in the forward difference anyway. First of all, any term was there. F of x1 highest to minus lowest is there. Highest to minus lowest to divided by h is there. In the same question, we written forward and backward. We written forward and backward. In the forward we written f of x1 minus f of x naught by h అంటే the forward అంటే delta f of x naught we written. Backward అంటే here highest term we written అంటే del f of x1 is written. And that's only one question. We written forward also, backward also. Forward we written smallest value, backward we written highest value. That is only simply difference. Here f of xn minus f of xn minus 1. This is the highest term is an f of x1. That's why we written f of x1. Here also highest term. అంటే ఫార్వర్డ్ కి అబ్జర్వ్, ఫార్వర్డ్ ఫార్ములా అబ్జర్వ్, it becomes totally x naught terms. Backward formula it becomes totally n values. So Pn of x equals to f of x1 sh into del f of x1 s into s plus 1 here, not minus 1. Here minus 1 is written here, it's wrong. Is s into s plus 1 by 2 factorial into h square del square f of xn del f of xn s into s plus 1 s plus 2 by del cube f of x1 by 3 factorial. And then s is the difference. Now we go for the table. So generally written del f of x1 here observe, this is only just we check that f of x1 minus f of x naught by h is the general value. F of highest to minus lowest divided by h is there. Here backward difference, how to written backward, and here the highest value we written and delta del f of x1. At the same time this question ki we written forward and delta f of x naught we written. That is the main thing. Del f of x1 is the backward, delta f of x naught is the forward. That is only value. Just observe after here the table of an forward, first backward difference, del square, del f, and these two difference is known as a del f. But here that f of x1 is the starting term. So del f of x1 and f of x1 minus f of x naught by h. The highest value is which one? Which is the highest value? X1 is the highest value. These two difference divided by h, these two difference divided by h, these two difference divided by h. So these two difference చేసేటప్పుడు we written highest value in backward, in lowest value we written forward. Observe here, in forward difference upper terms are only x naught, del square f of x naught, del f of x naught, del square f of x naught, del cube f of x naught terms are there. In backward difference, observe here f of x1, here f of x2, here f of x cube, up to so on terms are there. So that is the difference you observe. After that the backward difference in lower terms are the same, and del f of xn, del square f of xn, del cube f of xn. And బ్యాక్వర్డ్ డిఫరెన్స్ కాబట్టి లోయర్ టర్మ్స్ ఈక్వల్ వస్తున్నాయి, ఫార్వర్డ్ డిఫరెన్స్ కాబట్టి అప్పర్ టర్మ్స్ ఈక్వల్ వస్తాయండి. ఫార్వర్డ్ అప్పర్ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ఈక్వల్, బ్యాక్వర్డ్ లోయర్ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. That is the main difference of forward and backward. x0, x1, x2, xn. x0 is then f of x0, f of x1, f of x2, f of xn term. Those time we write that process. This is the forward and backward difference. మన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తుంటే ఇంకా క్లారిటీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. So we will continue problems in next video. Thank you.